Need your contacts in a spreadsheet? You can't just rename a .vcf to .csv. The two store data in completely different ways, so here are 5 ways that actually work. First, why bother converting? Outlook and CRMs import contacts in bulk as CSV, not VCF, they take those one at a time, plus CSV opens in Excel to sort and clean. It's the universal format for contact, so, your 5 options. 1. Google Contacts, free, and the easiest. Import your VCF, then export as CSV. 2. Windows Contacts, offline, but painfully slow in bulk. 3. An online converter, fast, but watch your privacy. 4. A desktop converter, best for big or sensitive files. 5. A Python script, if you automate. So which one? A few hundred contacts, nothing sensitive. Google Contacts, private corporate data, stay offline. Desktop or script, thousands of contacts or many files to merge. Desktop, match the tool to the job. Now the setting that trips everyone up, you'll be asked, Google CSV, or Outlook CSV. They use different headers and different encoding. Importing to Outlook, pick Outlook CSV. Anything else, or non-English names, pick Google CSV. Its UTF-8 keeps every character intact. A few things go wrong every time, watch for them. Embedded photos, CSV can't hold them, they drop. Names turning to gibberish, that's an encoding mismatch. Phone numbers as 4.4e plus 11 in Excel. Import as text. Don't just double-click the file, and check every phone number lands in its own column. For most people, Google Contacts is enough, but a desktop converter earns its place when it's serious. Thousands of contacts fully offline, it preserves photos as separate files, and merges a whole folder of VCFs into one CSV. That's Univik's VCF converter. Pick the right CSV, check your encoding, verify the columns. Get those 3 right, and your contacts move cleanly.
Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.